What's up? What's up? What's up? A new day and a great day to be alive. You know what I'm saying? I done had a good day. Just got out of work. So today I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what I do to my own car. It's real basic, nothing too serious. But let me tell y'all how I got here. My little sister had stole my car. She ain't only just steal it and bring it back one piece. My car already got some issues, you know. And she stole my car and messed the brakes up on her. So today, I'm gonna try to make this video as simple as possible. Show how to change the brake, make them work again. And when I went to take the tire off and everything, I had seen that it got a brake fluid leak. So I'm gonna see if I can find that, see what else I find along the way, and just hey, watch this video. I'm gonna keep it real simple, real short, and watch it. Yeah, so I got everything off now. It would look like without brake caliper on there or without rotor on there. And this right here was the end results on what had happened with my rotor. That motherfucker was ate up. That's why my tire had all that discoloration around it. You see how rusted it is and everything? That right there came from that rotor being ate into by this brake caliper. When that brake caliper wanted to eat into it, it was making a real weird noise, and I was like, man, what the word going on here? And I can't blame everything on my little sister. Once I had looked at this right here, I said, you know, my mama had drove my car for a while. She would drive my car for a long time, and she had my car for like 6 months. But remember now, these rotors and these brake pads and the brake caliper, it ain't been changed in 4 years that I done had this car. So it was about that time, and you know, this car really ain't gave me no major problems. So I'm gonna keep on doing a little basic work on it until, you know, the engine give out or something. And then I'm gonna sell a little bit. If it give out or else, I'm gonna do something else with it. But, you know, until then, I'm gonna keep on driving it, and I'm gonna fix it back up right, and I'm gonna do some extra stuff to it, you know. But hey, one thing about it, you got to follow this channel. Follow the channel, like and subscribe and comment on the video. Subscribe to the channel, you know. Hey, I appreciate all the love, all the views. Much love shown. I love y'all. Y'all know, y'all make me who I am. You know what I'm saying? So hey, like the channel, subscribe, comment what I'm wrong at. You know what I'm saying? I'll try to fix it. You know, just tell me what's up. But I'm gonna try to get this right here knocked out, and I'll be back with y'all in a brief moment. So just keep watching. Keep watching. I do this. Oh, all right. Yeah. All right. Okay. Right there. Yeah. Please. Let me try to hold it. Okay, right. Oh, wait. I got it. I got it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. You gotta put your new kit on now. When you go doing them emergency brakes, you can't use that old kit. Need your shit did right. Call a real mechanic. Finna put this old brake caliper on here now. Got them emergency brakes in on now. Got them on now. All the way around. You see it. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Yep. Now I'm gonna put that brake caliper on there and finish it up. There you go. All right, I gotta do this. Yeah, looking good now. All right, I gotta do now. Put that brake caliper on here. Yeah, I'm back. I had to find them old things, cuz had to find them. Yeah. I gotta take that out. They right here, my bleeder. Did my bleeder valve right here. Got to have that. The bleeding brakes. You gotta have that to bleed them brakes. Or else ain't gonna be no. boy. That thing doing what it needs to do. I got all that back in there. Now all I gotta do is bleed this motherfucker. Let me see if them brakes gonna pump up in here and pump them brakes. And hope that master cylinder ain't gone. Gotta check that old brake fluid out. See what it's doing. Let's see. Oh. Well, a lot low on brake fluid. Brake fluid in there. Make sure that 3 brake fluid. It don't matter what kind of brand it is. As long as it's that 3, you good. All that work the same. It ain't no different than that good than the top name brand. It all work the same. Put some brake fluid in there. Get that thing full of brake fluid, and we're gonna bleed this thing. And we're gonna see what we're gonna have. We should be in action when we bleed it. That thing took almost the whole dang thing. Let it pump it up a couple times.